Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an in-depth Ageless Multi-Collagen review. If you're looking for a premium supplement to rejuvenate your skin, hair, and nails while supporting your joints, bones, and gut health, this product might be your game changer. We'll explore its features, benefits, and real results from users. Stay tuned to find out if Ageless Multi-Collagen is the right choice for you. What is Ageless Multi-Collagen? Ageless Multi-Collagen Protein Powder is a revolutionary blend of 5 premium types of natural collagen. This tasteless, easy-to-mix supplement fights signs of aging and restores youthfulness to your skin, hair, and nails. It supports joints, bones, and gut health, providing full-body benefits. Just one scoop can transform your wellness routine with its powerful, instant benefits. 5 features of Ageless Multi-Collagen. Premium blend of collagen types. Contains 5 types of collagen, 1, 2, 3, V, X, from grass-fed beef, fish, chicken, and eggshell membranes for comprehensive support. Odorless and flavorless. Completely tasteless and odorless, it mixes easily into any beverage or recipe without altering the taste. Supports overall wellness. Promotes full-body health, enhancing the appearance and strength of skin, hair, and nails while supporting joints, bones, and gut health. Easy to mix, formulated to dissolve instantly in hot and cold liquids, ensuring a smooth texture without clumps. Non-GMO and gluten-free, made without GMOs and gluten-free, it fits into various dietary lifestyles and is free from artificial additives, providing a clean and natural daily supplement. Why we love Ageless Multi-Collagen. Supports skin, hair, nails, joints, and gut health. Contains 5 types of collagen for comprehensive benefits. Odorless and flavorless, it mixes easily into any drink. Provides a clean collagen source, free from GMOs and gluten. Mixes instantly in hot or cold liquids. How does Ageless Multi-Collagen work? Ageless Multi-Collagen works by delivering a potent blend of 5 collagen types, types 1, 2, 3, V, and X, from grass-fed beef, fish, chicken, and eggshell membrane. These bioactive collagen peptides support healthy skin, hair, nails, joints, bones, and gut health. Mix it into any drink for easy daily consumption and experience improvements in overall wellness, athletic performance, and recovery. Why should you choose Ageless Multi-Collagen? Choose Ageless Multi-Collagen for its premium blend of 5 natural collagen types, designed to enhance beauty from within and support physical health. It's odorless, flavorless, and mixes easily without clumping, making it convenient for daily use. Ageless Multi-Collagen price and AMP packages. Single pack. Experience Ageless Multi-Collagen at a discounted price of $29.95, down from $39.95, offering a 25% discount, plus shipping. Triple pack. Buy 2 and get 1 free for $79.90, down from $119.85, a 33% discount, with free shipping included. This package ensures you have a 3-month supply. Family pack. Purchase 3 and get 2 free for $119.85, down from $199.75, saving 40% with free shipping. Perfect for families or long-term users. Ageless Multi-Collagen user reviews. For additional details about this product, please visit the description link at techidevice.com. Thank you for watching our deep dive into Ageless Multi-Collagen. Don't miss out on transforming your wellness journey with our premium collagen blend. Whether you're aiming to enhance skin radiance, strengthen hair and nails, or support joint health, Ageless Multi-Collagen is your go-to solution. Check the description for exclusive offers and links to purchase. Subscribe for more health tips and reviews. Start your journey to vibrant health with Ageless Multi-Collagen today.